Welcome to another video. Today you're here to find out if Legendary Marketer is for you, why you should join Legendary Marketer. Is it legit? Does it hold up to what everyone's saying it gives? And we're going to get right into that. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you want to see next on the channel or any questions you have from watching this video, and share this with a friend. So is Legendary Marketer all hype, or is it the one and only, or the one-stop shop? And I'm not a super affiliate of Legendary Marketer, meaning I don't promote it on a daily basis. I don't push a lot of traffic towards Legendary Marketer. So this is an unbiased opinion. I am an affiliate, but you don't see me posting a lot of videos about it. But I can't take away from the fact that Legendary Marketer is a one-stop shop. If you're new, this is going to be some advanced, because it's going to be everything you need to know. But it's a great learn and play, meaning learn and earn type of program where you can start learning and, putting in play the things that you're learning at the same time. This is a very, very efficient program. It's a low to high ticket program, but it's very amazing. So the first product that most people get brought in, which you're probably going to get brought in, is the 15-day business builder challenge. And in 15 days, they're going to show you if, digital products, affiliate marketing, the mastermind niche, if these are things that are going to be for you, because you're going to be making a business plan. You're going to see a little glimpse of what it's going to take to, build funnels, find your target audience, where to promote. It's going to show you a glimpse of all of that within 15 days or less. And you're going to have a one-on-one advisor who's going to walk you through this 15-day challenge, make sure you're cool, see where you're at. And towards the end of it, they're going to introduce you to these more high ticket products, which are the blueprints, and we can go through those really quick. Let me see. We can go through those. Let me move this out the way. So let's just go to the affiliate marketing one. There's about 4 blueprints you get paired up. Affiliate marketing, digital, events and masterminds, coaching and consulting, which I know a lot of people are going that route, coaching, consultant, or making their own products. So let's just go through a few of these. So, the core 4, decade in a day, which was a very in-depth live class about Facebook ads, getting a product. And I think they used a ClickBank product, putting it in play, doing ads with it, starting off with a little medium budget and, getting a product out there that you didn't create on Facebook ads, and exactly how to do it. But as we scroll down, it's just in-depth information that anyone should have, even if you're a seasoned marketer. This is a big one right here. The Phishing Formula is pretty much how to find your target audience, where to find them, how to approach them, what type of product to put in place, how to create that product, how to create that funnel. And this same concept is for, you get taught this on all social media, such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. They're going to show you how to even do the funnel, the psychology. So, see, what people don't realize is it's cool to throw funnels, at people, but where most people fail in this industry is they don't know exactly who they're targeting. Their funnel's not compliant, or their funnel's not set up right. It's cheesy. It's no psychology behind it, and that's where a lot of people fail. Plus, without learning these skills, you don't become a real marketer. And a lot of people just join. I had this problem too. They join program after program trying to find that training or try to find that special sauce, but the special sauce is within you. Yes, we can show you some technicalities on, social media. You can learn, how they work, how reels work, but those things change every single day. But your skills as a marketer, your psychology, your mindset, it doesn't change. It's the same concept. People don't join products, people join people. And that concept alone, a lot of people don't understand. So you're going to learn all of that. There's a lot of talking. There's a lot of video footage. There's a lot of training. I mean, down to the take notes type of training. That's going to turn you into a super affiliate with anything you do, even if it's your own product. So if we come down to affiliate, no, not this. I don't want to come here. Let's come to register for live training. So you're going to have access to Matt. I don't want to say his name wrong. Matt Heltzel. I just call him Matt. But you're going to have a lot of live training once a week. Plus, Legendary Marketer goes live on Facebook with testimonials every single day, like clockwork. But you see, you're going to have access to this alone, I should say. This alone. I should cut the video here. This alone is probably worth thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. You know, for example, the blueprints show you how to set everything up, how to be a marketer mentally, you know, how to be able to create funnels on demand, but have a purpose when you're creating them. These live trainings, you see there's 166 of them. This goes back to 2019. These live trainings are where you're going to get all those questions, you know, those technicalities, those algorithms, those what are people doing, those insights, what are the people that are making it doing. This is where you're going to get all that in these live trainings, because there's case studies in here. There's people that's actually successful. You see right here, Marcia's Facebook ads. So, you know, those that you're seeing having results, you know, you're going to be shown inside what they're doing. As we scroll up, you know, a lot of Facebook ads work. Easiest things to sell, results in Google ads. So those more, you know, like I said, in-depth topics that a lot of people pay thousands to learn about. Story ads and Facebook ad critique. And this is just 2019. If we scroll up, you know, traffic generation strategies, hacks to work from home, top 10 list building, client hot seat. You know, there's actually here, once again, here's going to be someone who's actually getting results, and we're going to be looking inside what they're doing. And it's a lot of that, a lot of studies, a lot of getting Facebook, get endless TikTok ideas, fast TikTok content. This alone, these topics alone can be paired into products that are sold for so much money, and they're giving them to you once a week in live videos. And look, we're still in 2020. TikTok content creation, hypnosis, funnel critique. Look at this. Q&A. So there's people in here just asking random questions. Hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Let's get up to 2020. We're not even in 2022. Look at this. Client Q&A. How to convert more cold followers to hot buyers. Secrets to getting more live attendees on TikTok. And why how-to content will explode your channel. I don't even have to say anything else. And that's all the way up into 623. Last week, go viral in any niche, how to create viral content, and why Facebook Reels is so damn hot. I'm actually going to watch, I want to watch this one, because I post my Reels on all platforms, but I don't even think there's much more to touch on when it comes to what I just showed you. You have enough training, above enough, way more than enough training. Like I said, I didn't even show you each blueprint. They have other products. Like I showed you, they have other products, Traffic University, Marketers Club. Plus, when you become an affiliate, if you get the chance to become an affiliate, because they need to accept you to become an affiliate. If you become an affiliate, the power of this program is it's set up to start low into high ticket commission. So, you know, there was a time I didn't even know I had a sale, and the person had bought a few products just from how Legendary Marketer is set up. You know, once you buy the Daily Business Builder Challenge, they'll take you to another project, and you get to see if you want it, if you don't want it. They'll mark it for you if you set it up that way, or you can send your leads to your own autoresponder. I mean, it's a full business. You learn everything you need to learn. I'm really over-explaining this. I hate when I over-explain this, but Legendary Marketer is next level. A lot of people passed up on Legendary Marketer, and they're still out here doing mediocre marketing. So if you're someone who wants to just get in, you know, I'm pretty sure the Business Builder Challenge is probably even under $7 at this point in time. But if anything, it was $7. So if you want to try it out, go through here and then see if this is something for you. Link will be in the description. Check it out. Go through here. If you want to invest in the blueprints, your advisor will help you, and I'll assist you, but you really have all the training you need, especially once you get in the Facebook group. You really have all the training you need, but just make sure you sign in with a real email And I'll leave my email in the description as well, so you can contact me. And just be ready to lock in. There's so many people on a daily basis investing into legendary marketers still to this day, even after the hype, died down. And like I said, I'm over explaining it. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up on the channel, and have a great day.